Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you replace these light bulbs. This one here is your clearance light and the brake light built in together. It's a double element light bulb. This one here, right here, is your blinker bulb, and this one right here is your reverse light. So when you put it in reverse, this lights up to light your way backwards and to let people know that you're backing up. And we'll also go over how you'd replace the license plate bulb light. So the way we get into this is we're going to have to pop the trunk, and then we'll go over how you would access the panels back there to be able to replace just the light bulbs. Right. So to be able to replace any light bulbs inside here, we first have to get inside the trunk, and the way we get to that is we go up into the cabin department and we push the button and this trunk will pop up. Push the button inside the door so the trunk will pop up and we will be able to have access to these things. Right? So to replace the turn signal light, we've popped the trunk. We were in the trunk and there was 2 push pins that we removed, and once you remove those push pins you can go ahead and fold this down, and the turn signal is this one closest to us, and that I just find it is easy to just unhook the clip, and then that will kind of be out of our way. Then you can go ahead and twist it counterclockwise, a quarter turn, go ahead and pull the light element out, then disconnect this and pull it out, get your new one. So we've got our new bulb. We still have our element here. Just take your new one, just clip it back in together. Hear that nice good snap. Then you just go ahead and put it back in the hole here. Just remember that our electric is on this side, so that's going to be the good thing. And then you just put it in. It only has one direction it'll go in. It's got different sizes tines there. Then you go ahead and install it, and then just go ahead and plug the plug back in, and that's how you replace that light bulb. And that is your blinker light bulb. And then you would just go ahead and put this stuff all back up and go ahead and put your push pins back in, and you'd be good to go. That's how you replace your blinker on your Mazda 3. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.